What if the key to unlocking a deeper, more meaningful meditation practice lies in the very things you're trying to eliminate? In the next few minutes, we'll explore a counterintuitive approach to mindfulness that might reshape your understanding of inner peace. Get ready to discover a fresh perspective on meditation that could open your mind to new possibilities. We'll introduce you to a surprising secret that might change how you approach your practice without giving away too much just yet. Are you curious to learn more? The meditation battlefield: why your mind fights back. Picture this. You sit down to meditate, determined to find inner peace. Your eyes close and you take a deep breath. Suddenly, your thoughts race through your head. Your to-do list demands attention. That embarrassing moment from 5 years ago resurfaces. Sound familiar? If you've struggled to quiet your mind during meditation, you're not alone. Many of us face this inner turmoil when we try to sit still. But here's something that might surprise you. These experiences are not only normal, they're actually necessary for your growth. When you meditate, you're asking your brain to do something unfamiliar. It's no wonder it seems to rebel. But here's the fascinating part. This resistance isn't a sign of failure. It's a crucial part of the process. Every time your mind wanders, and you gently bring it back to your focus, you're strengthening your mental muscles. Each moment of distraction, followed by a return to presence, is a rep in your mindfulness workout. Understanding this can transform how you approach meditation. Instead of getting frustrated by a wandering mind, you can see it as an opportunity for growth and self-awareness. Each thought that arises is a chance to practice non-judgment and acceptance. So how can we work with these mental patterns instead of against them? How can we cultivate inner peace amidst the natural activity of our minds? Let's explore the paradox at the heart of effective meditation. The paradox of perfection. Why trying too hard backfires. The journey to inner peace often takes unexpected turns. Just when you think you've got it all figured out, meditation throws you a curveball that changes everything. What if the secret to mastering meditation isn't about trying harder, but about letting go in ways you never imagined? Have you ever noticed that the harder you try to relax, the more tense you become? This paradox lies at the heart of our meditation practice. We often have this image of the perfect meditation, sitting in a lotus position, mind completely clear, feeling utterly zen. But chasing that perfect experience usually creates more obstacles than it removes. When we set rigid expectations for our practice, we set ourselves up for frustration. Every stray thought becomes a failure. Every moment of restlessness feels like defeat. We judge ourselves harshly, thinking we're not doing it right or that we're just not cut out for meditation. But these expectations and self-judgments are the very things holding us back from experiencing the true benefits of mindfulness. Think about it. How can we relax when constantly monitoring our performance? Our ego's desire for control interferes with the natural flow of meditation. We're so focused on achieving a specific outcome that we miss the whole point of simply being present in the moment. But what if there was a different way? What if, instead of striving for perfection, we embraced imperfection? This is where the concept of effortless effort comes in. It might sound contradictory, but it's the key to unlocking a deeper, more fulfilling meditation practice. Effortless effort is about letting go of the need to control your experience. It's about allowing thoughts and feelings to come and go without getting caught up in them. Instead of trying to force your mind into stillness, you observe whatever arises with gentle curiosity. This approach acknowledges that meditation is a personal journey. There's no one right way to practice. What works for someone else might not work for you, and that's perfectly okay. The goal isn't to achieve some idealized state of mind, but to cultivate awareness and acceptance of your present experience, whatever it may be. But how exactly do we cultivate this effortless approach in our practice? How do we shift from trying too hard to allowing things to unfold naturally? That's what we'll explore next, as we dive into practical techniques for embracing the paradox of meditation. The universe's secret, embracing the chaos. Have you ever considered that the chaos in your mind might be your greatest ally in meditation? Let's explore why embracing your thoughts could be the key to unlocking a deeper practice. Picture this. You're sitting quietly, focusing on your breath, when suddenly your mind erupts with thoughts about work, family, or again, that embarrassing moment from years ago. Your first instinct might be to push these thoughts away, desperately trying to return to calm. But what if these very distractions hold the secret to a more meaningful meditation? It's time to challenge the idea that good meditation means having a completely quiet mind. This belief might be holding you back from experiencing the true power of mindfulness. Instead of seeing thoughts as the enemy, what if we welcomed them as part of our practice? Mindfulness is about cultivating awareness of all your experiences, including those persistent thoughts. When you learn to observe your mind without judgment, you create space between yourself and your mental chatter. It's like watching a movie. You see the scenes unfold, but you don't get lost in the storyline. By accepting your thoughts during meditation, rather than trying to eliminate them, you open the door to deeper insights. It's counterintuitive, but it works. When you stop fighting against your mind and start working with it, meditation becomes less of a struggle and more of an exploration. This approach might feel strange at first. We're often taught that control leads to success. But in meditation, letting go is where real growth happens. It's about cultivating curiosity in your mind and treating each thought as an interesting visitor. True meditation is about acceptance, not elimination. It's about embracing your full inner experience, chaos and all. When you learn to dance with your thoughts, you'll discover a new level of peace and insight. Now that we've uncovered this transformative approach, you might wonder how to implement it. How do we shift from resisting our thoughts to welcoming them? That's exactly what we'll explore next as we dive into practical techniques for embracing the beautiful complexity of your mind during meditation. Practical magic, techniques to transform your practice. Let's explore some practical techniques based on the principle of acceptance in meditation. Shifting from controlling your mind to allowing thoughts to come and go can feel unfamiliar at first, but it's a powerful approach. We'll start with the body scan technique. This method grounds you in the present moment, using your body as an anchor. Here's how it works. Slowly move your attention from one part of your body to another, noticing any sensations without trying to change them. You might feel tension in your shoulders, tingling in your toes, or warmth in your chest. The key is to observe these sensations with curiosity, not judgment. Another valuable tool is guided meditation. Having a gentle voice guide you through your practice can help you navigate the twists and turns of your mind, especially when you're feeling overwhelmed or struggling to focus. Guided meditations provide a structure that makes staying present and engaged with your practice easier. As you experiment with these techniques, remember that the goal isn't to have a perfect meditation experience. Instead, focus on setting intentions rather than expectations. Your intention might simply be to show up and be present, whatever that looks like for you on any given day. I encourage you to try these methods in your practice. You might be surprised at how quickly they can transform your meditation experience. As you become more comfortable accepting thoughts and sensations rather than fighting them, your practice will likely be more enjoyable and rewarding. Consider how this new approach can transform your entire meditation journey. Are you ready to embrace the beautiful chaos of your mind and discover a deeper sense of peace? Conclusion. As we near the end of our journey, you've discovered that embracing your mind's natural state is key to a deeper meditation practice. This shift from struggling against thoughts to accepting them is truly transformative. Remember, this new approach to meditation is a skill that takes time to develop. Be patient and kind to yourself as you explore this path. One meditation expert wisely said, "Meditation isn't about achieving some kind of mystical state or forcing our minds to be quiet. It's about accepting ourselves exactly as we are in this moment." Why not try a simple acceptance meditation right now? Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths. As thoughts arise, acknowledge them without judgment and gently return your focus to your breath. We'd love to hear about your experiences with this new approach. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Let's continue our journey of self-discovery together.